Hey there, Andrew Texador with HomeSmart Realty here at the Biltmore in Phoenix, Arizona. And today on this episode of All Things Real Estate, I'm going to talk to you about VA and FHA rehab loans. Now, these are loans that you do when you make a purchase of a home that needs renovation or updating. And it's a really good idea because not many people are doing it, and you can get the home, you can customize a home the way you want it to, rather than maybe buying a flip that somebody's done to their taste, okay? So I just want to tell you a little bit about it because they definitely are more advanced. It is a little bit more difficult of a loan. Not all lenders know how to do them. And there is a very specific timeline and procedure. So I'm going to use some round numbers for example on the purchases. Let's just say you found a home for about $250,000 that needed renovation, right? And so maybe the house is worth $300,000 if it was turnkey and move-in ready. And so there is an intermediary who is basically the quarterback of the whole transaction. They're approved by VA and FHA to basically be in control of the transaction. And what they do is they make sure that all bids are reasonable and in line. They make sure all the contractors are licensed and bonded and insured. And then they make sure that everyone does their job after the purchase is complete. So how it works is, you say you bought a $250,000 house, $50,000 in renovations, your purchase price is $300,000, your loan would be based, your loan and your down payment, depending on if you were VA or FHA, would be based on that purchase price. And then once you closed, the intermediary would get right in and get the contractors doing their work so that they can finish up and get you your house to move into in as quick a fashion as possible. Now, the other thing the intermediary does is she makes sure all the work is done properly, or he does or she does, make sure all the work is done properly and signs off on draws to get these contractors paid. So it is, like I said, it is more in depth, but because it is, a lot of people won't do them, and I do them, and my lenders do them. So I'd love to help you do a VA or an FHA rehab loan. My name is Andrew Texador with HomeSmart Realty here at the Biltmore area. I work all over the valley. You can reach me on my phone or by text at 602-909-9414. You can find me on Facebook, direct message me here on Facebook. Email me at andrew.texador@gmail.com. Follow my website. Thanks for spending a couple minutes with me, and if you learned something or you know somebody that can benefit from this information, share this video with them, have them contact me. Thanks so much. Make it a great weekend.